Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to edit PDF on Windows. So let's begin the video. You can edit PDF using Microsoft Edge. Right-click your PDF file and choose Open With, and then select Microsoft Edge. Once it opens, now use the Draw tool at the top to write or sign, and then use the Text tool to type anywhere on the PDF. After editing, click the Save icon or press Ctrl+S to save your changes. You can also use a free online editor. Go to websites like pdfescape.com or smallpdf.com. Upload your PDF file. Then you can add or remove text, insert images, or even rearrange pages. Once you are done, download the edited PDF back to your computer. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.